Hello there, welcome back to Do What Now. In today's video, we're going to draw together a cute box of French fries. So let's get into it. To start off, you need to draw the base of the box. That's going to be a straight line, just like this, how I'm drawing. So join along. Next, we're going to draw the sides of the box. It's going to be a straight line going up, but a little slanted towards the outer side. And we're going to draw the other side too. Next, we're going to draw the top part of the box. It's going to be a curved line going down and going all the way up. Good job. Moving forward, we're going to draw the eyes of the box. And this is going to bring the life onto the box. It's going to be a dot, a long dot. And we're going to draw the other eyes. Again, a small dot. Next, what we're going to draw is we're going to add character to him by adding a smile. So right in between these two eyes, we're going to draw the part of his mouth, that is the top part. And moving down, we're going to draw a curve all the way like that, like a U shape, going up to the other side. Good job. Next, we're going to draw the French fries. Yes, it's going to be a long rectangular piece, like how I'm doing, and we're going to draw the front ones, the potato French fries that are in the front side. You can have a little curve to it, just like how I'm drawn. So follow along. If you feel I'm drawing fast, you can pause the video and then continue at your pace. What we're doing right now is we are drawing potato fries that are bent on either sides. So remember, they're all going to be here and there, so make sure you're drawing it with curves. Now that we have drawn the potatoes at the front side, we're going to draw the ones at the rear side. Some are going to be taller, shorter. Good, looking good. Hey, did you know that McDonald's uses around 7% of all the potatoes that is grown in the United States for their fries? Wow, that's a lot of potatoes. Now let's draw some fries that are sticking out on the either sides, just like that. Good. Good job. Next, we're going to draw his teeth. One line above and one below. And then we're going to draw his tongue. Hey, did you know that French fries actually is not from France? They are from Belgium. The inner part of the mouth, we're going to darken it. You can color it black. Good job. Hey, here's another fun fact. The world's longest French fries is around 34 inches long. Wow, that's taller than the height of the table, regular table. Alright, so moving forward, we're going to draw the trims of the box. It's going to be a thinner line like I've drawn, and the bottom trim for the box at the bottom side. Next, we're going to draw his hands. We're going to make him cuter by adding hands to it. They're going to be short hands, but then the palm of his hands are going to be a little bigger. And this makes it more cute. Things that are cute basically has things, some areas are going to be larger, some are smaller. So the proportions are different. And the next part of the palm and the finger sticking out, that's his thumb. Next, we're going to draw the bend on his palm, a few lines. Yeah, we are almost there. So now we have completed the outline of the cute box of potato. Next, what we're going to draw is the hatching or shadowing. And I use the small lines on the side, on one side of the box. So this shows us where the shadow is resting. And for the French fries, I'm going to draw again a few lines and dots, like how I'm drawing. You can follow. So it gives a rugged texture to the French fries. I imagine you're doing a great job. Keep it up. There you go. It looks amazing. What do you guys think? And do you like French fries? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, another fun fact is sweet potatoes fries have become more popular these days as a healthier alternative for regular fries. Alright, next we're going to do the coloring. I'm going to pick up my red color and I'm going to draw the outer edges of where I'm going to color so that I don't leak out of the artwork. And once I'm drawn the outer edge, I start filling it inside. And that's a good way of coloring. We're drawing the bottom part of the box. Not drawing, coloring, sorry. And remember guys, if you're making mistakes, remember to use erasers. Okay, it's absolutely fine to make mistakes. I have made tons of mistakes while drawing. Good. So we are now filling it up. So the next color we're going to use is yellow color. That's for the French fries. So keep them ready. You can use any sort of color types. Crayons, sketch pens, watercolor. I leave that to you. So we're almost there. Finishing with the red color for the box. Let's move forward for the French fries now. Right now what we're doing is a flat color. Later I'm going to help you add the shadow effects. So the flat color yellow is going on all the French fries. Hey, did you know that in UK French fries are called chips? They're not called French fries. Yeah, let's keep coloring. Fill up every French fries over there. Hey, did you know some people have this weird way of eating French fries? That's right, that's by dipping it into milkshakes. You can get creative. Hey, if you're liking what I'm drawing, please do support me by liking the page and sharing it with your friends and even subscribing to my channel. That really means a lot to me. Good. Next, what we're going to draw is the shadow effects. Oh, we missed his palm color, the hand color. Let's do that. Again, that's the yellow color. Hey, did you know the first French fries was probably made in the 1700s? That's really old. Next, what we're going to draw is the highlights, okay? And I'm using white color. You can use a white color pen. Just few here and there dots, so just to show that it's having a little pop. So if you notice, anything has a shadow and it has a highlight. And that's what makes it three-dimensional. Next, we're going to create the shadow effects for the French fries. A little darker yellow color. If you don't have a darker yellow, you can use a brown, light brown. And you can draw along one side of the French fries. In this case, we are using the left side, so to darken it. Great, great. Next, we're going to draw the shadow effects of the box. We're going to give some more shadow effects for the eyes, under the eyes, around the mouth, with a darker red. If you can't find a darker red, you can press the pencil a little more harder, then it'll become darker. I hope it works. Next, we're going to add sparkles to his eyes. Wow. And next, we're going to give a shadow effect on the base of where the box is resting. A little gray. Guys, I hope you liked it. So thank you so much for watching. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon in the next video.